Are you seeing the viscosity of this soap? Are you seeing how beautiful it is? You can actually make this soap with just 2 ingredients. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Crystal DIY. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, please stay in and watch this video to the end. This is liquid soap I made with just 2 ingredients. Just 2 ingredients. It's not everything you buy in the market. You can actually make this soap for family use. You can actually make this soap and start selling to people. It's very, very beautiful. It's a multi-purpose soap with these 2 ingredients. You see how clean this plate is? It's very foamy. It's thick. Very beautiful. Let's go into work. This is the SLS that I'm going to use. This is one of the ingredients we are going to use. This is the SLS. It's in rice form. You can actually buy all these ingredients in chemical store in your area. Ask around where you can buy it. This is my sodium sulfate. So I'm using just sodium sulfate and SLS for this production. And this is the water that I'm going to use. The quantity of these ingredients is in the screen of this video. So this is me dissolving my ingredients. So I'm dissolving this SLS with the water and sodium sulfate. I'm dissolving it. So this is actually warm water. You can actually use cold water to dissolve this, but it will take time before it dissolves. So it's advisable you use warm water. So this will stay for 30 minutes before I'll start mixing it. So I will dissolve it very well and keep it. So I'm adding in more water. All this water will enter here. This is 3 liters of soap. I'm making 3 liters of soap, liquid soap. So I'll melt everything and keep it for 30 minutes before coming back to it. So this is after 30 minutes coming back. Everything has dissolved. Are you seeing it? This soap is very easy to make. It's very easy to make. You don't buy everything in the market. You can actually make this soap and start selling to people. This particular one looks like has the texture of the normal one we buy in the store. You see it? I added the sulfate inside the SLS mixture and stir vigorously. At a point I was melting this with my spatula. I use hand whisker for this. I'll mix it very, very well. I mix everything very, very, very well. So I now change to whisker to mix it very well. I now change to whisker. I will mix it. Everything will turn to white. So, but I wasn't getting the effect with the spatula. That's why I changed to manual hand whisker. You see, it has changed the color. Everything is now like is white. So I make sure you mix everything very, very well. So for more inquiries on how to make liquid soap, how to make soap, how to make all the household products, you can contact me. My WhatsApp is on the screen. So I will leave this for 24 hours. So I'm coming back after 24 hours. You see how transparent it is? You see how transparent and beautiful it is. I actually love the viscosity. You can as well add in more water at this point if you don't like the texture of it, if you don't like how thick it is, you can add more water to it. So I want to make two, and this is my perfume. I want to make two colors. So I'll be making green color, but the green color I used didn't turn out green, turn out yellow, light yellow, and also orange color. That is why I divided it. So you bring out your color and you mix it in a little place, in a little portion, and then pour it inside the mixture. So you can actually use this soap like this, transparent liquid soap. You can actually use it like this. So this is my green color and my orange color. So first of all, I'm going to scoop it a small portion into the plate, then use it to mix the remaining liquid soap mixture. So I showed you perfume, but at the end I didn't add the perfume because I don't like the customer that I'm making this soap for didn't want perfume for it, so I didn't add the perfume. But you can actually add perfume. Some use mostly they use lemon perfume, but you can actually decide not to add perfume to it. So the customer that I'm making this liquid soap for said that she doesn't want perfume, so that's why I didn't add perfume. So you can actually add perfume at this point and package it for selling. So you mix everything thoroughly and check the color and then add more. So color is optional, the quantity is optional. So now I'm going to add in my orange color. So now I'm packaging it in this rubber. Now your liquid soap is ready. You can now package and start selling. You can package and start using. So I want to package the orange one. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now. And tell me in the comment section that you have subscribed. It doesn't cost you any money to subscribe. It doesn't cost you. Just tick the subscription button and anytime I drop video, you'll be getting notification when the new video is dropping, and when new video is being dropped in the channel. So subscribe so you'll be among the first people that will be notified when new video is dropped. So this is yellow color. I actually love this color. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. You see it. So this is yellow color. I intended doing green. Now it's turning yellow, but it's quite beautiful. So welcome back to my channel.